Hello and welcome to the Managing the Custom Sunstone Views screencast. In this screencast, we will go through the process of creating and enabling the custom Sunstone views. Views is the functionality of OpenNebula to declutter the interface. Views are actually the set of config files located in their own directories under the etc1 FireEdge Sunstone Views directory. By default, there are 4 views: admin, group admin, user, and cloud. However, there are cases when you would like to add your own custom view. Each view not only consists of allowed tabs, but also allows you to enable or disable certain functionality. For example, resize the virtual machine or remove some buttons from the resource screen. To list all the views, navigate to etc1 FireEdge Sunstone Views directory. You are going to find 4 directories representing each view and the Sunstone-Views YAML config file. You may create a view from scratch, however, for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to create a copy of the default cloud view and name it power_cloud. Currently, users of the Power Cloud view are not allowed to access the Virtual Networks tab because the configuration file for that tab is missing. This is due to Power Cloud being a clone of the Cloud view, and the Cloud view is also missing the Virtual Network tab. To add this tab, you can simply copy the configuration file from the user's view. Of course, you also can build it from scratch should you need to. In the individual tab configuration file, you can change the behavior of this tab. In the scope of this demonstration, I'm going to adjust the virtual machine tab. I'm going to allow the user to change the permissions of the virtual machine by changing the chmod parameter from false to true. Cloud views having history, backup, and configuration tabs disabled. For the Power Cloud view, I'm going to allow these by setting their enabled parameter to true. To finalize the configuration, I must edit the Sunstone views.yaml configuration file. Under the view parameter, add the new view with the directory name. The name will be seen in the Sunstone, so make it clear. And a short description. Note that you don't need to restart the Sunstone FireEdge service. To add a view to the already existing user group, navigate to the System Groups tab and select the user group you would like to alter. Press the Update button, toggle the button near the view you want to enable and proceed to finish. Now, to verify that the view is working and that it has different capabilities from the standard cloud view, I'm going to log in as a member of the group named users. I'm going to instantiate the OpenSUSE virtual machine template, leaving every setting as is. Once the virtual machine is running, let's check the permissions section on the virtual machine's info tab. The permissions cannot be changed, as well as the backup, history, and configurations tab are missing. This is because we're using the default cloud view. Let's switch to the Power Cloud view. As seen on the screen, the permissions now can be adjusted, as well as the history, backup, and configuration tabs are available. And this concludes the screencast where we have shown the procedure of creating the custom Sunstone views. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.